Hello guys, welcome to Ramta Solutions. We are continuing with solving equations by substitution. What we had said in the previous video, we said we use this when we see repeated expressions in an equation. So in this equation, I do see that we have p squared that's repeating, right? So what I can tell you is that when you look at P4, it is similar to saying P squared times P squared, right? So to solve this question, we will say let P squared equals K, because P squared is repeating, right? So this therefore means we have minus 2K squared equals negative 11K minus 21. So this therefore means we have 0 equals 2k squared minus 11k minus 21, right? So even if I had written it vice versa, where I say 2k squared equals 2k squared minus 11k minus 21 equals 0, it was still gonna be okay. All right, so this we can factorize. So we will say this is 2k minus leave a space, k minus leave a space. Factors of 21 are 7 and 3. So if they are 7 and 3, I will try 7 and 3 here. The bigger factor must be negative, so this one must be positive. Therefore, this means k equals negative 3 over 2, or k equals 7, right? K equals 7. Okay. Now, we will say for k equals negative 3 over 2. Remember, we are solving for p. We cannot solve for k. Alright, the question didn't ask us to solve for k, but for p. So we say, what was p? K was p squared. So this means p squared equals negative 3 over 2. You know very well that this will be plus minus square root of negative 3 over 2. This has a non-real solution, alright? So it's non-real. I'm not gonna worry about it. Now, I will then look for k equals positive 7. We had said p squared is equal to k. What is k? K is 7. So this means p equals plus minus square root of 7. Therefore, p equals positive 7, or p equals negative root 7, negative square root of 7, right? And these are your answers. So this you can further convert it to decimal places, maybe 2, but I'm not gonna go that way, so I'm just gonna leave it here. Okay, however, you should be leaving your answers in 2 decimal places, or leave them in Z unless stated. Okay, but unless stated, leave your answers correct to 2 decimal places. Okay, so this is it guys. See you next time. Bye bye.